Hi there, little explorers! Have you ever wondered what's inside an asteroid? Buckle up, because today we're going on a space journey to find out. First stop, the surface. Asteroids are like giant space rocks. Some are as small as a pebble, and others are bigger than a football field. Cool, right? Now let's dig a little deeper. Inside an asteroid, you'll find lots of different materials. There's rock, of course, but also metals like iron and nickel. These metals make the asteroid super strong, but wait, there's more. Some asteroids have tiny bits of ice and dust inside them. Imagine finding a snowflake in space. That's what makes asteroids so magical and mysterious. Guess what? Scientists think that asteroids are like time capsules. They hold clues about how our solar system was born. It's like a cosmic treasure hunt. Oh, and here's a fun fact. Some believe that a long, long time ago, asteroids brought water and even tiny building blocks of life to Earth. Isn't that amazing? Okay, little explorers, our space journey is almost over. But remember, next time you look up at the night sky, think about all the cool stuff hiding inside those space rocks. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome space journeys. Bye!